Alright, so this is my project for today. This guy is broken, and a part you can just buy. So we're going to go ahead and weld this sucker together. Okay, so I got this prop together. Here's our crack right there. Okay. There we go. Maybe I got it too hot. Dropped right off of there. Across. There. Alright, so it's all done and it works. Nice and sturdy. A little ugly, but I'm sure that'll get covered up with that kind of blackness that comes with cooking pretty soon here. But it's been tested. You can hold the weight of a cast iron pan and cook no problem.